All right, we are off to the races. The Belmont Stakes are tomorrow, but guess what?
The dessert diva, Danette Randall, is in the studio right now showing us some great desserts and drinks that you can make for your party.
Yep. Yes. And here's the key thing, simple. Just like always, it's very simple. We're doing New York inspired because it's the Belmont.
Right.
So we're doing the no-bake, New York inspired cheesecake bites.
Ooh.
So simple, you're gonna be amazed. And then we're making the Belmont Jewel. It's just the Four Roses small batch. It's pomegranate and lemonade.
Ooh,
and that's all it is. And the
That's
small
refreshing.
batch is so nice. It pairs so well with that. And let me just tell you, I use 2 ounces. It says 1.5 ounces for the Jewel, but you know.
Got a girl.
You
But
gotta
anyway,
go for
okay,
it.
so very simple. Okay, so first off, we're just doing the basic graham cracker crust. So you're gonna take about 8 graham crackers, grind them all up, or you can buy the pre-ground graham crackers, but it's so simple. So a little bit of butter, a little bit of brown sugar, and then you have this. Now, I'm using this mini muffin tin. If you don't have a mini muffin tin, you can still you can still find these and you can kind of arrange it without it, or you can use the big one and just make them. They won't be bite-sized, but that's okay. So you're gonna press it down, just like that. It's just that simple.
Danette, bite
And that's
size is all dependent on the size of your
Well,
mouth.
that is true, Evan.
Yeah.
That is very true. So if you want to use the big muffin tin, go ahead. So anyway, this is how simple it is. It's going to come together in just a minute, which is
why I
probably
love
all
this.
we have. So,
Yeah.
Okay, so 8 ounces of cream cheese. You need to make it very soft. Make sure take it out the night before if you want. We're going to do 2 tablespoons powdered sugar. Stir that up. We're doing lemon juice because, you know, a lot of times the New York inspired, it's very rich.
Yeah.
It's dense, but it's rich and it's very mellow, and it has a little bit of a tang. So we're doing just a little bit of lemon juice.
Okay.
That's it. You just squeeze that. It's about a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons, depending on how you like it. We're going to do a teaspoon vanilla. We're going to do the sour cream, which helps with the richness and also adds the tang. We're just going to do 1 big tablespoon.
Right.
And then we're going to do a 1/4 cup of cream.
Wow.
And that is it.
That is so simple.
You're just going to stir that up. Now, the thing is, the vanilla sometimes looks like it's going to make it a little bit brown, but
Right.
you just keep stirring it and it will really
It'll
sink in
whiten
there.
out.
So yeah.
Okay.
So you don't need to worry about that. And then the biggest thing about this is letting it chill. You're going to need to put this in the fridge for at least a couple hours because you want it to be, you know, you want it to harden up because you're not baking it.
Okay.
You put it in, you can use a spoon, if you can use a piping bag. If you don't have a piping bag, you can just put it in a plastic
Look at that
bag.
hack.
Cut
That's
the
such a
tip
great
off.
hack.
You just go like this.
And let me
That's
just
all we
say,
do.
from eating it early already,
Yeah, that was
it
amazing.
tastes just like cheesecake.
It does,
That
but-
is fantastic.
I was pretty happy with it. I thought that it turned out pretty well. And then you can pick the strawberries and put that on there. And
That would be great for
I
any
did it-
party, a summer cookout, anything.
Sounds
also,
awesome.
if you don't want the little bites, you can do it parfait style too.
I
so
love that.
make
And
it bigger.
we
This
can-
would be better for you.
We'll get these recipes from you, right?
That's right.
Yes,
on
these
the
will
website.
be posted on our website, WFLA.com. Okay,
Perfect.
we're going to send it back to Lee.